So welcome everyone. In today's tutorial we'll be going through the app Pixellab. So without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the system. So here we are in Pixellab. So the panel here is the workspace. Is your workspace in which you can move anything you like, move your text, your shapes and such like. So that's the workspace, and then here at the bottom is the toolbar, and also we have the preset bar, which is this one we are looking at now. Is the canvas bar, rather canvas or preset. You can call it preset or canvas, and also you can choose any format you like, any size of your paper. This is where you can choose size, choose anyone: Google, Pinterest cover, Facebook, and Google. You can choose Instagram and LinkedIn and so many one like that. And also you can customize your own also. So that is that about the preset bar. And then over there is the project button. This is a project button over there in where all your work will be saved. We call it PLP files. So this is the preset for Pixellab, and also that is where your project will be saved. So that's a project button. And also let's quickly move forward to the toolbar at the bottom. So first one there is a text tool. The text tool, which is denoted by the letter A there. So the text tool, if you press the plus button there, it will bring you new text. Are you getting the point now? So that is the new text there. You can edit it, you can do anything you like. So this is the edit. You can delete, you can copy it, you can bring it to the front, bring it to the back, and then you can resize it and anyhow you like. So let's quickly move forward. And also you can give it a color. So this is a copy. You can copy it, and also you can copy, you can delete. So that's the delete button there if you like. And also you can make a multiple copy if you like. A multiple copy. You can see how I copied the text now. So that's that about the copy something. And also here, there over there is the back button. If you have made a mistake, you can quickly back it. You can see that now. Let's leave it like that. So now let's quickly continue. And then the next two there is the position one. The move, you can move it to the left, to the right and such like. And also we have the relative one, which is you can move it a long distance to the center, to the left, to the right, to the back, to the center, to the middle center and such like. So that is that about interactive relation. So that is interactive relation for you. And also the next one there is size. Here you can resize it, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, any size you like. So that's the size button there. So that's it. You can reduce it, you can enlarge it. And the next one is padding. This padding is normally used for some specific fonts in which those text won't come out very well. So you can use padding for that, so that your text will come out very well. You can see the effect of the padding now. There's some font like that of Critical Personal font. There's a specific figure there that won't show if you use the font. So this padding is very good for Critical Personal font. So that's what padding is used for mostly. So that's padding for you. You can adjust and do some little adjustments there in padding. So the next one there is the color button there. So here you can change the color of your text, change it any color you like: blue, black, white, orange. And also there's two aspects here. We have the pure color and the gradient color over there. So this is the gradient one, in which you can match two colors together at once. So let's quickly give you this one. Okay. and this one let's put it red. Okay, you will press, no, let's make it this one black. You press OK now. You will see that it has affected the text. So here also you can change the format. You can see different formats there. You can make it any format you like, any format. You can move it, so that's the effect of that one. So this is the gradient color we have just added. You can choose anyone from the template there. Choose anyone you like from the template, anyone. So let's pick this. So the next one there is the texture button. So let's quickly pick the texture and look for an image. Just look for an image to pick in the gallery. So this will be okay. You can see you can resize it. This is the opacity, yeah, and then you can rotate it, the angle rotation. So the next one is the mask tool. So here you can select that one, which is the moving tools, and then the one beside it is the adjustment tool in the mask. So that's the, you can cut any text you like. You can see that one is cut. So let's quickly back it, and also let's quickly move forward. The next one is the font tool. As you can see there, it represents AB. That's the font tool. Here you can choose any fonts you like that suits your design. You can choose any fonts. You can see how many the fonts are, and also these are the imported fonts and the recent. So you can choose any font you like. Let's quickly choose this. Now press OK. Once you press OK, you can see that it has changed. Are you seeing the effects now? The text, the font text have been changed. So the next tool there is the bold. So here is the bold, and then you can underline it in the U aspect, and then this one that T that crossed it, you can clear everything. So the next one there is the bending tool. The bending, you can bend it. For example, you want to write on a circle, you can use this one, the curve one. And also we have the background aspect. Here you can reduce the left to right padding, the top padding. You can change the color white, any color you like. You can change it. You can adjust the padding, the left, the right, the bottom, and the top. And also you can reduce and increase the radius, the curving, that's the radius. So once you are done, you can now press OK. And also note that also we have gradient color also in this background. So this is the presets. So once you are done with that, press OK. So now that is perfect. So the next tool there, we have the alignment. Here if you are writing so much text, you can use the left alignment. You can justify it. Use the or what is it called, middle alignment and stuff like. And also next one we have the spacing. Here you can space between your letters. You can space it. That's in the effect now. And also note that we also have word spacing in this one. If you press the word there, only the word will be spaced, not the letters anymore. Are you getting the point now? So that is the letter and the word aspect. So now the next one there, we have then our line spacing. So for example, you are writing so much text, you can adjust the lines and such like. So the next one there, we have the stroke. Here you can write add stroke to your text. So you can change the color, any color you like, change it to any color, reduce it or decrease the size of your stroke. So that's the stroke effects. Are you seeing now? Also you can add gradient color to your stroke. So let's quickly move forward. That's that for stroke. Also you can add shadow. This is the shadow effects. You can blur the shadow anyhow you like. You can reduce the opacity. And also you can enable the glow. Use the glow effect. You can disable it, enable it. Also, you can move the offset anyhow you like. So I'm just putting you through all these. The offset Y, the offset Z. So you can also change the color of a shadow. So that's the shadow 2. And also we have inner shadow in Pixellab. Also, Pixellab is very wonderful if you can get all the techniques. So let's quickly move forward. As I said, also you can change the color. So that's that. And then we have the emboss. The emboss, which is normally used for logo. It is normally used for logo. So you can change the offset here, the light angle here. You can change the intensity here. That's the light and the intensity. And then you can change the ambient light and also specular, the level. You can change the level. You can see the effect. So it's turning to a logo already. So you can change the level here. And change the specular hardness and just like to your fitting. And also we have the perspective one there. So this one you can move it. You can see the effect of the perspective. So here is normally used for mock-ups. This perspective tools is normally used for mock-up in Pixellab. So let's quickly back that. Okay, we don't need that for now. So the next one here is 3D rotation. So here you can rotate anyhow you like. 3D rotation, 3D. And also we have 3D text here. Here you can enable the oblique, the perspective oblique. So let's quickly put it in oblique. And then you can reduce or adjust the depth and also adjust it. You can change the color here and change the color and also the darkening. You can make it dark, you can make it light, and you can also adjust the oblique angle. You can adjust it, you can adjust it to your fitting. So that's the 3D text, the 3D button, the depth. You can reduce it anyhow you like. By the time you move forward in Pixellab, you get to know all these tools and they're useful. Not all these tools will be used in a design, but few of them will be used. So the next one here is showing on the screen is the shadow, the 3D shadow, and also we have the reflection. Also we have the reflection. So as I said the other time, not all these tools will be used in a particular design because it won't make sense to use all these tools. So but few of them will be used to give your design a unique function. So that's that. So now the next one there is the shape tool. The shape tool, here you can add stickers, you can add drawing, you can import image and many more. So these are the sticker pack in this version of Pixellab. These are the sticker pack. All these stickers are in PNG format. Please note that they have no background, so they are in PNG formats. You can add any stickers you like, the flare effects, the lighting, anyone you like, anyone lighting. You can see all these shapes make your text, make your design unique and make your work pop out very well. So it beautifies design of the stickers. So these are the stickers. You can add social media icon, the apps icon, designs app icon. So now let's quickly move to the next one. So also here you can crop. So now let's import an image rather in our gallery. Let's quickly import an image here. Let's go to our lab. Let's search for an image. Okay, fine. So here, this is how your workspace will come up when you want to import an image in Pixellab, and then you will search for the image you wanted to import. And here you can pick any image you like. You can choose any image that fits your design, that fits your desire. So here are the design, here are the images. Let's quickly choose this. Yeah, just for the sake of this tutorial, so I'm just showing you how to import your image in Pixellab, and then here you can crop it. You can crop anyhow you like to your fitting, so you can now press OK. Oh, I think this is a transparent one. Let's go and choose a non-transparent one. Let's go and choose a PNG one, in PNG format, right? So let's quickly choose in PNG format. Search. Let's look for a wonderful one in PNG. So I think this will be okay. This in PNG, yeah. So you can see that there's no transparency in this one. There's no background, rather, sorry. There's no background with this one. So we call it PNG. An image with no background, we call it PNG, but that with background we call it JPG. So now here you can move it like that of the text I explained the other time. The size. You can also copy it, duplicate, change the color here. So it's just simple and exact as that of text tools. So you can change the color here, and also texture. You can pick any texture, the opacity. So it's just the same thing, the same format like that. But this one has a difference in this lighting effects, the hue, the saturation, the brightness, the contrast. So that's a little different between the shape tool and the text tools. So you can here you can reduce, you can increase the hue, the saturation and such like. So now we have the stroke also like that of the text one. The stroke one, you can change the color of the stroke. You can change the color anyone you like, anyhow you like. And also you can add mask also like that of the text too. Are you getting the point now? So most of these one are the same. Here also you can erase a color in this erase too. That's a little different also between them. That's the erase color, and also the rotation. All of these are there in the text tools. So don't forget that we had the 3D shape. Here it's called 3D shape, but text in text too it is called what? The 3D effect. Are you getting the point now? So now let's move forward to the background too. Here you can change the background to any color you like. You can change the background to any color. As you can see the effect now, you can change the background, and also you can make it a gradient color also. You can make it gradient any color you like, and pick OK if you're satisfied with the color. So that's Pixellab for you. You can choose gradient, you can reduce, enlarge. So that's that about that. We have imported our text, and also you can make it a transparent color This transparent, as I said the other time, it is called what? PNG format. So if we save this file now, it will come out in PNG format. But if you save it with a white background the other time, it will come out in what? In JPG format. So that's Pixellab for you, the background tools. And here in the background also, you can import an image for your background. You can do whatever you like here. So another one you should know here is the image size. You can customize the size of your image here. You can pick any size you like. The default size, which is 2121 by 3000. That's the default size. You can pick any size you like here. So, and then you can pick the square, profile picture, YouTube channel, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover art. You can pick any format here to fit your design. So this is a Facebook cover. You can see how small it is. So let's back it. So now here we go with the introduction to Pixellab. So I hope you understand what is meant by the background tools now. So now let's move forward to the next tool there. So here you can rotate the background. You can rotate everything in your canvas. You can rotate your canvas. You can so this effect, I don't normally like it because it's not normally good for editing, so I don't normally use it. So the nose also, they normally use all these. They are just extra something, extra stuff like that. So this is a stripe, the alpha, repeat. You can just, you get the brightness, the contrast, the hue, the saturation. So that's that. So another one there is the zoom. This is zoom tools at the top bar there. So we have the zoom, so you can see what you are doing very well. You can zoom it, can zoom in, zoom out, and then also we have the ruler, the guidance tool. We have the ruler tools which you can use to set your guidance. It guides you on how to place your design, your shapes, your mockups, your images, and such like this. Ruler is very important in image because it will make your alignment in a proper way. It will make your alignment in a proper way. So that's the ruler. And also the next icon there, we call it the layer tools, the layer panel rather, the layer panel. So here is all, it's everything you have imported, everything you have inserted in Pixellab. So in this layer aspect also, you can merge two layers together. You can merge two layers, you can delete, you can edit. So here you can merge layer. If you click it now, and then you pick any image, any layer you wanted to merge, and press this, press this match button. So that's the match button there. Once you press it, you will confirm, and then they will both match together. Can you see it now? We now have two layers. We have three layers before, now we have two layers. So you can also back it to bring it back to three. So let's do it again so you could understand. So you can see that it is now two layers. You can also match everything together. You can match all the layers if you like. So that's the layer panel. And also the plus button there. Here you can plus a text, a current date, a stickers, a shapes, and import an image there also. So this is the current date in which this video was made. So you can also make a drawing there. Make a drawing. So in Pixellab, this drawing is normally used for illustration. Are you getting the point now? It's normally used for illustration. As I told you the other time, the Pixellab can be used for illustration, can be used for design flyers, posters, and such like. So this is used for illustration. So also you can make it a dash, make it a fill, make it a null effect. You can see the effect now. So that's a drawing too. And the next one there is a save button. Here you can save it as project or as an image. So as I told you the other time, this is the project button. So if I save it as project now, it will come there. So let's pick a name for that. Let's write TTT. Okay, done. So if you press OK now, it will save in that folder. You can see that it is saved now. This is the TTT at the top there. So if you press OK now, you could see that your project has been saved. So that's that about the save. And also you can save it as image also. Press save as image, the JPG format, PNG format, and also you can customize, change the dimension. So please note this, always save your design in an ultra mode. Don't save it as low, media, high, very high. No, save it as ultra mode. Are you getting the point now? So once you save that, your design will come out very neat and perfect. So that's the saving mode. And press save to gallery, so it will render your image, and your image is now saved. So that is how we save image in Pixellab. And also you can now find it in your gallery. So when you get to your gallery, you can find the image there. So this is the image in our gallery. You can see how clean and perfect it is when you save it in an ultra mode. So this is our design. So this is how we save image in our Pixellab.